with you. So are you ready?
I'm never ready. I don't like rapid fires. Okay,
It's
but
easy,
yeah.
it's easy. It's
Okay.
not very hard.
Yeah.
Okay. So, if you had a chance to take Justin Bieber to one place in Mumbai, which would it be?
I like Carter's Road. I like Town. I think Town. I really like Kolaba. I think that's very different and the way Bombay feels. I think I would take him there.
So, if you had to take Justin Bieber on a date, where would you take him?
Nobody should know about it. I think some good food place, some nice place where you can eat some great food, especially Indian food.
So, what Indian food would you want Justin Bieber to eat?
I actually want him to try like pani puri and all, and let's see how he reacts. Because for people who are not from India, it's actually little different kind of thing, like water and everything mixed, and it's like a different taste. So I want to see his reaction. I want to click a picture of him like eating pani puri and like taking his reaction.
I'm so sure all of us want to know where you go on a date with him and what you do, for sure. And really hoping that it happens one day.
I really hope. Let's see.
So, what was your favorite outfit from the collection that Only has for Only into Justin Bieber?
I think what I'm wearing right now, I really love. It's very casual, very edgy, very comfortable. I think this is something I would love to wear for a concert because I want to dance, I want to sing, I want to like do whatever. So I really need to be comfortable. So I love this.
That's great, and you look stunning today in this
you.
limited edition collection.
Same to you.
So, moving on, if you could kill, marry, or hook up with Bieber, which one would you pick?
I have to choose one.
Yeah.
Can't I just go for one date? I'll choose going for a date with him. Just
So is
to
that a
know.
hookup?
For a day, yeah. For a date.
That sounds interesting.
She's looking at me. Ah, no.
It's
just
Justin
one.
Bieber after all.
Yeah, I would want to know him, and I would want him to sing for me so I can dance.
Oh, that's like couple goals.
Yeah.
So, talking about the amazing Only karaoke booths, tell us which is your favorite Bieber song?
I like Sorry. Is it too late now to say? I like all the songs, but I think Sorry is one track I've danced the most because it's very dancey and very groovy. So I really like it.
That's great. Like that is one of everyone's favorite
Yeah,
songs.
that is the thing, especially for girls. I guess.
Absolutely. So, Bieber coming to Mumbai, and we definitely want to give him a taste of our own very Bollywood. So, tell us, if you had to imagine one iconic Bollywood movie for the both of y'all, you and Bieber, what would it be?
DDLJ. That's the most iconic in Bollywood film, I guess. Imagine me running and like Bieber.
Yeah, like instead of the...
So dramatic.
he'll be with the guitar in the Sarson
Yeah,
Ka
he can
Khet.
also sing. Yeah, great. Sarson Ka Khet, Bieber. Is it too late now to say sorry?
Oh, it fits perfect. Instead of Ja Simran Ja, it'll be Ja Disha Ja.
Ja Disha Ja.
So, being such fans of Bieber's voice and Bieber, tell us which Hindi Bollywood song would you want Bieber to sing for you?
I really like Chammak Challo, and I know someone has sang it already, but
Ek
I would really want him to sing that song. It's a very like catchy Chammak Challo, so I would want him to sing the song for me.
That's amazing. I can totally imagine both of you all dancing on it already. So, last one to end this fun segment, show us one of the dance steps that you want to teach Bieber, a Disha special.
For people who are not so familiar with Bollywood, I think this one is very difficult.
The
And
Indian head
I
nod.
thought for us it's like everyday thing and doing this. But I feel I would want Justin to do this and try and how he feels so weird about this step.
I really hope that you could one day teach him how to do this and we could like take a nice picture together.
Yeah.
So this was cool. So thank you so much for
Thank
being
you,
a sport
thank
with
you.
your crazy answers. And now we should allow media to ask questions to Disha.
He is a